Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So we're going to demonstrate where the serial lighter fuse is located on 2017 Honda Civic that we have here. You guys have two different fuse boxes. One fuse box is located inside the car. That's the one that we need on the driver's side, right under the dash. If you kind of like look upside down, guys, you look up, you will see a fuse box that looks just like that. This is your OBD port, this is the fuse box under the dash, and if we zoom in, you're going to see the fuses, okay, exposed like that. So which fuse we need to check? Before we continue, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So guys, what we have here, you can see the fuses start on the bottom row. That's fuse number 1 through 13, 14 through 20, 6, and then you have 27 through 39. The fuse for the front serial lighter is in that row right here, and we need to count right here 27, 28, 29. That 20M fuse is the one that you will need to check. Fuse number 29, guys, for the serial lighter.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.